perfect prompts for cinematic videos in Kling AI. Hey guys, this is Shayan, and in today's video, I'll show you a 5-step process in which you can feed perfect prompts for video generation with Kling AI so that you don't use up unnecessary credits. That being said, these are battle-tested ways in which you can derive your prompt, and we are going to use ChatGPT to help with us as well. So that being said, without further ado, let's jump over to my laptop and let's start. So the first step that we need to do is go over to ChatGPT, and in here, you need to give this prompt to ChatGPT, as you can see over here. What I've said is that I'm going to supply you 5 steps and you need to give me a prompt for Kling AI, right? And the steps are: number 1, the subject, that is what is going to happen, the main focus of the video. Secondly, I'm going to give the movement, that is whatever movement would be there on the video that are primary, right? Say for example, a fighting is going on, so that would be the primary thing. Third thing is the background. In here, I will give a detailed description of exactly what kind of background I want. Then on step number 4, I should give background movement. That is whether a breeze is blowing or say for example, raindrops are falling, like this kind of thing. Last but not the least, I'll give the camera motion, as you can see over here. And in here, I'll give the exact camera movement that I want. Now that being said, all that I've told ChatGPT is to summarize each of these inputs and then create a final video prompt. Now based on this, ChatGPT has understood this thing, right? Now I've also given an example workflow, like you say a lone samurai standing in the rain, and then the movement is slowly drawing the sword, right? And then on the background, I've said misty bamboo forest. Then on the background movement, I've said rain falling gently and the bamboo swaying. Then on the camera motion, I've told it slow dolly in from behind with low angle, right? And now all of this has combined into this final prompt. Now, all that we need to do is copy this prompt, and then we need to go over to Kling AI. And in Kling AI, we can go either from text to video. That is, if we don't have a consistent character, we can go for text to video. If we want a consistent character, we can go for image to video as well. On the image to video, I'll upload the image and give the same prompt over here, right? So that's how it works. So currently I'm going for text to video, and let's go ahead and click on generate and let's see how Kling fares with it. And look at this, it has been created. So just go over here and play this and look at this. This is quite a good one, for example, right? You can see it's a cinematic one. However, there is a little lesser movement on the background, but then you can understand that this is AI. Sometimes we need to recreate it as well. But you see, overall, it's a good enough scene to start off, right? Now that we have created scene 1, it's time for us to create scene 2. So for that, I have told ChatGPT to give me a next scene suggestion. So you can see over here, it has given the next probable scene suggestion as well, where it's saying that enemy warrior emerging from the fog, walking towards with intense focus. And then background, it has fog covered forest clearing. And then on the background movement, there's fog swirling with light wind. And camera motion is slow orbit around the enemy, tightening the focus, right? Now, that being said, it has also combined it into a prompt over here. This is the final prompt. So let's go ahead and copy this and paste this on Kling AI. And once done, I'll click on generate, and boom, this is going to be our scene 2 that is being generated. And there you go. It has created the second scene as well. So let's click on this and let's play this. Look at this. There is the fog with the forest in the background, and there emerges another lone fighter samurai, right? So that's quite amazing. Now you can punch together these scenes and you can go ahead and create your cinematic video. Now what I've done is that I've told ChatGPT to please carry on and give me another such example. So in here you can see it has given the third scene as well. In here there are the 2 warriors, they sprint towards each other and there is a clash of swords and all the background movements, camera motion, everything is in here, right? So let's go ahead and copy the final prompt and let's go for the third scene. And there you go, the third scene has also been created. So let's go ahead and play this, and boom, there you can see it has created this scene, but then there isn't the fight that is going on. So what we can do is that we can go ahead and regenerate this as well, and maybe we can make some tweaks so that we get the fight scene exactly, but you get the point, right? This is exactly how we can go ahead and generate cinematic episodes, right? One after the other. We can take help from any engine like ChatGPT, Claude, whatever you have. And then the best part, it gives you the next scene situation as well. It gives you everything. So in this way, you can stick together these scenes and this can give you a cinematic thing. So I really hope that you guys have enjoyed this little tutorial, and this is how you can actually create cinematic videos using Kling. Now, Kling AI actually is an all-in-one tool, and Kling AI can be used for doing anything and everything. As you can see over here, I had used Kling AI to create this kind of lifelike avatar with natural lip sync, hand movement, gestures, all of that. I had also used Kling AI to create this kind of face swap video where you can place yourself in place of any enigmatic character, be it political, be it film related, whatever you want to. You can actually make face swap and you can appear in those scenes as well. All of that can be done via Kling AI. So that being said, that's it for this little tutorial, and I really hope that you guys have enjoyed it. If you have, please help me with a like, and don't worry about the prompt. I'll give it in the description so that you can use it for yourself as well. Now, if this is the first time that you are into this channel, then please consider subscribing to this channel, because in this very channel you get this kind of tutorial that helps you to win this race with AI. Now, that being said, if you want to join Kling AI for free, don't forget to actually click on the link below in the description and join Kling AI for free and get used with Kling AI. That being said, we'll meet again pretty soon somewhere over the internet. Until then, please take care of yourself and your families, and don't forget to keep making money online. Signing off is Shayan. Take care. Bye bye.